भीमातीर्निवासाय पंढरीपुरवासिने पांडुरंगप्रकाशाय विठ्ठलाय नमो नमः. मरुत्पुत्राय कवयी भीमाय भयहारिणे श्रीमदानंदतीर्थाय प्रख्याताय नमो नमः. Dear children of God, Jai Sri Krishna, Namaste. In one of the messages, this thought occurred to me: give and share, not save and store. That's the message for the day. Before one looks into give and share, let us look at save and store. Why is there no inclination to give and share? Just because the inclination to save and store is stronger, and store because they have need for a rainy day. But man stores because he has greed all the way. His desire is to hold, and hence he keeps gathering and gathering things, possessions, wealth, food, everything more than what he needs or his family needs. He needs to feel secure. Without his storage, he feels insecure. He thinks, and that his hoarding of wealth has made him firm and strong. It is in his own narrow little world he lives, enclosed within the bounds of selfishness. He cannot see beyond me and mine. Hence, saving and sharing become an anathema for him. Saving and sharing are not for him. He wants to save and store, not give and share. He has a natural tendency to do so. He works very hard and earns by the sweat of the brow. His diligence is admirable, but his commitment to fellow beings is nil. He has neither time nor inclination to see the larger world around him, which needs him, calls him for help, but he turns a deaf ear to it. While he is alone, he is tense, and when he dies, his ethical bank balance is nil. He has not been a true child of God. He has not looked at the larger family called the world. While this is so, let us look at the message, give and share. This phrase is indeed meaningful. Such people are rare but worthy to meet. They look at the world around them even as they are, earning for themselves but rising above me and mine. They are kind. They are sympathetic towards the less privileged. They do not mind keeping aside something for such people, more than what they need. Hence, giving becomes a natural instinct for them. As one has said several times in these messages, giving is a God-given talent. It's not given to all, because the really good ones are indeed rare in the world. It is such people who expand their hearts to feel for others. On one hand, they are worldly wise to earn for themselves and their families, but their wings of mercy expand to include those who are suffering in the world around them. Thus they earn to give. And who is the person who gives? He who has no ego. The proud man feels it is his duty to hoard and not to give. He thinks it is commonsensical to save and store more and more. Because of his ego, his greed also grows more, and there is no limit to storing, wherein the act of storing matters, not the intention of storing. It is like intoxication. People who store bundles and bundles of currency are shown on the TV. The wealth that is stored is like paper, lying like paper, bundled, printed paper, useful to none in the world. A great sage said, wealth likes to move from one hand to the other. Don't stop it. What is most important in the act of giving is the attitude behind it. While two children are playing, one has two laddus in hand. The kind mother asks one, give one to your younger brother, give and share. While giving, there is generally a feeling of superiority, but this phrase gets rid of it. Share is an important word. Our parents are one. Our large families around us. We may not physically be aware of it, but we must be ethically conscious of it. Our fellow men are our brothers. When our God gives us more than what we need, it's like the elder brothers to share with our younger ones what they need. Now the attitude is not one of condescension, it is sharing. It is a healthy family relationship without the sting of pride in it. Dear devotee, the word share relieves us of the sin of pride and makes us mingle with the community around us. Give and share is a matter of healthy, happy life. भेजा था तुझको देने को लेकिन तू लेता ही लेता गया, पूछे जो ठाकुर जवाब क्या देगा, मानव तू कहाँ चला मानव तो कहाँ चला. Thank you.